Hi everyone. SQL injection occurs when attacker manipulate your SQL queries to gain unauthorized access to your database. For example, imagine a login form where an attacker type manipulates SQL code instead of a username or password, gaining access without proper credentials. Why is SQL injection dangerous? Attacker can steal sensitive data like user password. They can delete or modify your database record. In the worst case, they can completely take over your system. But don't worry, I will show you how to secure your PHP code step by step. The first one step is avoid using raw SQL queries. When you use raw SQL queries like this, it is highly vulnerable to SQL injection. Attacker can manipulate the input file and gain access. Step 2 is use preferred statement and parameterize queries. The best way to prevent SQL injection is by using preferred statement. Here is how. Those methods automatically handle skipping specific characters, making it impossible for attacker to inject malicious SQL. For attacker to inject malicious SQL, step 3 is validate and sanitize your input. Always validate and sanitize input data before using it. Use function like filter var to validate email address. Step 4 is limit database privilege. Use a database user with limited permission. Avoid granting privilege like drop or delete unless absolutely necessary. The step 5 is use web application firewall. A web application firewall WAF can help detect and block malicious SQL injection attempts before they even reach your code. And that is how you can protect your PHP application from SQL injection attack. Always use preferred statements, sanitize input, and limited database privilege. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your fellow developers. See you in the next video. Thank you.